everyone, this is Jamie Leigh. I am an independent distributor for Gelmoment nail polish, and I am here for Try It Tuesday to show you how to make this cute Valentine's nail art. It's really cute. It's a little tic-tac-toe board with some hearts on it. And I am going to show you how to change up the design a little bit. I'm going to use a different color base. I have this really pretty mani on my hand right now, and I've decided that I want to add a little bit of spice to it, but I didn't want to use the white background. So what I decided I was going to do is I was going to start with a different base color. Okay, so let me show you how I did that. I've already prepared my nail stick with 2 coats of Unspoken Love, and in the sample I showed at the beginning, the base coat was lovey-dovey. You could use whatever you like, whatever base coat you like. I think a light color would be the best choice. So after you do 2 coats of whatever light color base coat you decide to use, you're going to use a few different items today. I've selected the very long brush from the Creativity Kit. I've also selected a dotting tool, the thin dotting tool, and if necessary, we may need to use a little detail brush later. We'll see how it goes. Okay, the other colors I'm going to be using for this nail art are Hot Lips and Raven's Kiss. Time to get started. So I'm going to start with the long brush, move my other tools out of the way, and I'm going to drag my long liner brush through the Raven's Kiss. Okay, you can see how I'm kind of dragging it along through the polish. I do this because I want to get the bristles nicely coated with the Raven's Kiss, and dragging it through. Can you see that now? You can see that the Raven's Kiss is really coating along all of those long bristles. Okay, this takes a little bit of a steady hand, and you're going to want to try and divide your nail into 3 equal sections, and that requires 2 lines. So I'm going to start with my lines that go from the top of the nail to the bottom of the nail, and I'm going to just put my brush down, lay my brush, and just kind of pull along. Oh, see, you got a little wiggle there. No worries. Just go back over and straighten it out. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the left of that first line, about here, and I am going to pull again, use my liner brush, kind of lay the brush down and pull. Okay, you can go over to get them as thick as you like. You let the brush do the work for you. Lay the bristles down and just pull. Okay, and when you get the lines the way you like them, go ahead and cure. I'll be back in 45 seconds. And we're back. I'm going to again drag my very thin liner brush through the Raven's Kiss to get a little more nail polish on it. And then I'm going to find a spot about 1/3 of the way from the top of the nail down towards the tip, and I'm going to lay my brush and go from left to right. Sometimes I find that if I roll my nail as I am moving the liner brush, I can get a nice smooth line. See how that works? I'll show that again. I'm going to put it down a little bit further. I'm making a tic-tac-toe board, so I try and get it evenly spaced depending on the length of the nail. I place the brush down, and then I roll my nail underneath the brush to help that line get nice and smooth. See how nice and smooth that is? Okay, and it looks like a hashtag now, or a tic-tac-toe board. So when I'm happy with the way that my lines look, I am going to cure the polish in our Gelmoment LED lamp. All right, our Raven's Kiss has cured under our LED lamp, and now it's time to decide where we want to put our hearts. In our sample, I put the hearts here, here, and here to make it look like the tic-tac-toe love wins, right, on the diagonal. So I put it in the upper right-hand corner, the middle, and the bottom left-hand corner. But you can put the 3 in the row however you like. If you'd like to do it straight down the middle, if you'd like to put them straight across the middle, it's up to you. Okay, just I think it's cute that love wins, so I put 3 hearts in a row. Okay, the hearts are pretty easy to use. I'm going to start with the Gelmoment dotter. I'm going to use this medium-sized dot here. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to place 2 dots of hot lips next to one another, spaced out a little bit. Can you see that? Let's zoom in. There we go. Okay, so they're kind of placed together, but a little space in between. And then I'm just going to pull those dots down to a central point, and that is going to create a cute little heart for me. See how cute that is? Perfect. Okay, I'm going to dip my daughter back into the hot lips, and I'm going to go to the center square, and I'm going to do the same thing. So 2 dots, spaced a little bit apart from each other, and then I'm going to pull on a diagonal to create a heart. So cute. Okay, try and get them about the same size, but if they're not exactly the same, it's okay. Don't let that worry you at all. Okay, bottom left-hand corner, I'm going to do the same thing. 2 dots, 1, oops, I need a little more hot lips. 1, 2, and then I'm going to drag on a diagonal to make that cute little heart. Perfect. Okay, when you get your hearts looking the way you want them to look, you might need to adjust. I want to make this little one in the center a little bit bigger. While the polish is wet, it's really easy to fix any mistakes. Now, look what happened here. I touched it with my finger. Of course, you know, sometimes it happens. I'm going to dip into a little bit of rubbing alcohol on a clean brush, and I'm just going to wipe away any polish in an area where I don't want it to be. So I just want to clean up that heart a little bit. I wiped it away with the rubbing alcohol. I'm going to readjust. Look, it happens to everybody, right? Don't let that worry you. You can go in and fix it. Anything can be fixed. See, I just fixed that right there. While the polish is wet. So that's what makes Gelmoment so wonderful. It is not permanent until you use the LED lamp to cure. Our nail is cured. Polish is set. And now it's time to put our X's in. I like to put 3 X's in. You can put 2. You can do whatever you like. It's up to you. You can use 2 different tools for this. You can use either the long skinny dotting tool or the brush, the small detail brush from your creativity kit. I'm going to use the small detail brush. And all we're going to do is dip that brush into Raven's Kiss, and then I'm going to select 2 places to put my X's. I'm going to put an X in this bottom. Okay, and I'm also going to put an X, I'm going to put it here on the middle right side. And I'm just drawing the X with my brush. Like I said, you can use any tool you'd like. If you'd like to use this tool, it works the same way. You just dip in and then you drag your polish along. If you're really good with the liner brush and you'd like to use that liner brush, you can use that as well. Just use the very tip of it, and you can use that brush as well. It's up to you, whatever you like. Okay, I think that looks good. I think I'm only going to put 2 X's in, maybe 3. It's up to you. Maybe you could put one up here in this corner if you'd like, but I like the 3 hearts showing that love wins. Okay. I'm going to put it under the LED Gelmoment lamp and cure. Okay, don't forget to clean your brushes after you're done using them and your dotting tools. I just put my brushes in a little bit of rubbing alcohol in a small container. I kind of swish them around, and then I use a paper towel to dry and to kind of squeeze my bristles back together so that they stay nice for the next time that I would like to do some nail art. Nice and clean. Do the same thing with the dotting tool. I just dip the dotting tool in the rubbing alcohol and I wipe clean. Okay, see how cute that's going to look with that mani. I love it. Okay. The last little bit I'd like to do before finishing up this manicure is to add a coat of our Glitz Captivate Top Coat to the top of my nail. It's going to give it this really pretty iridescent sparkle look. It's going to keep the shine and it's going to give it a little pop. So I just put a little light coat of that on top. Don't forget to cap the end of your nail. How cute that is. Okay, and into the LED lamp it goes. Okay, here's our final product. I would probably put this nail in the center of my mani, maybe my middle finger. Okay, you could also do it on your thumb if you like, with the rest of your nails. The rest of my nails, I have various combinations of Unspoken Love, Hot Lips. I also use some Lovey Dovey in there to help get this effect. I have Captivate on this finger as well as a little bit of Chrome number 11. So just different combinations of things to make it look pretty. I love this Love Wins nail art, and I hope you do too. My name is Jamie Leigh, and I'm an independent distributor for Gelmoment Nail Polish. Thanks for joining me on Try It Tuesday, and I will see you again soon. Have a great day.